All right, what's on the bench today? 2 RF modules. I have no idea what's inside. They were marked $8, so I bought 2 of them. And they have an input and 2 outputs. They have 15 volts going in. I don't think this pin is used, so it's just plus 15. So they might be an amplifier. I don't know, but I just bought them for the boxes. I figured they would be good project boxes. They had 4 of them. I probably should have bought all 4, but let me open them up, and then maybe I'll have to go back and buy some more. All right, let's open it up. Oh wow, more complicated than I thought in here. There's a there's some writing in there. It says Aeroflex line text. Looks like there's a filter here and a filter here. This is on the input. And there is a part over here that we can take a look at. There's a bunch of parts, a couple parts. Oh, and there's a high-speed transistor down there. Wow. Much more complicated than I thought it was going to be. LO divider. Okay. Maybe it's an LO divider. I don't know what that is. Let's have to get this under the microscope and take a closer look. Well, let's see. I got something to point with here. I guess this will point easy enough. The input is here, goes through a filter, and then there's a bunch of stuff. This part is a coupler. It's a 5 to 1 gigahertz, 5 megahertz to 1,000 megahertz coupler. So part of the coupler comes out, part of the coupler goes through. And the part that goes through, I imagine, is this one over here. There's a pad to the output, so it's capacitively coupled. And then there's a pi network pad here. And that goes out. Yeah. Whoa, woozy doozy here. Need to figure out what that chip is and what that chip is. Assuming this is an amplifier. Goes through here, gets amplified and then filtered, and then it goes, okay. So it's gonna do something over here. It's gonna come this way, it's gonna get amplified. It's gonna go into here, and then it's gonna go into the coupler and then out. So this is just an amplifier. Now it says low divider, so these might be pre-scalar. I don't know why there's 2 chips. That's really weird, unless this one is just a voltage converter. Let's see, 15 comes in here, so there's 15 here, and it gets buffered here, and then it goes into this thing. Yeah, so this is probably just a voltage regulator of some type. So this is just power supply, but that's the magic. That's the part we need to figure out what's going on. It's a 1508 or something like that. Let me look it up. All right, I was able to find out that part number. It is a UPB 1508GV. It is a 3 gigahertz divided by 2 prescaler. So yeah, whatever you come in here, I don't know what this filter is set for. You come in here and it gets divided by 2. LO divider divided by 2. And once it gets divided by 2, it goes into a pad. Here's a pi attenuator. And then it goes into the amplifier. It's AC coupled. It goes to another pad. And the output of that pad goes to this filter. And then that goes over here. It's AC coupled into the coupler. And it goes into the pad, comes out, and then the other one goes out. The 10 dB coupled part comes out, and then this is just some type of voltage regulator. But yeah, I guess I've got a LO divider. I guess we could try this thing out. We know how it works, or it's supposed to work. And we can look at the couple and everything. Yeah, that'd be fun. Definitely worth $8 for sure. Divide by 2 prescaler. Nice.